We're in our swimsuits.
Alright,
Yeah.
it says, yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, we know it's going. Okay.
There we go.
So, this is what we're doing. It's Christmas morning, and me and my cousin have decided that we are legally insane. So we're going to jump out of the hot tub in our swimsuits and make snow angels.
And then jump back in.
Because we're not that crazy. We're not crazy enough to go back inside freezing.
And say, remember kids, don't try this at home.
Oh, yeah. Remember, kids, don't try this at home. You have to be as insane as we are.
And professionals.
And professionals.
Yeah, it's very hard to do.
But we're not
Years of practice.
Certifiably insane.
It took two tries to get this right. Just right. You ready to do this?
Are we ready?
John's ready.
The water's kind of...
Warm is close enough.
But is it warmer than out here?
Oh,
Careful, Icy.
shoot it is.
Come on, ready. Let's go.
And
I got you.
Go down! Let's go.
Wait. Oh.
Too late!
so waiting.
Don't run too fast, it's Icy. Oh, that felt good. Okay. That was the most insane moment of, well, one of the most insane moments of our lives. Remember, kids, be safe. Merry Christmas. We love y'all. And a Happy New Year. Peace, everyone. Click the button.